In a situation where an agile team is struggling with the risk, the correct action by an agile project manager will never be to add more control, more hierarchy, or more documentation. The correct steps will always involve leveraging a CAS opportunity, which can be introducing a tighter feedback loop, empowering the agile team to run a small experiment, or establishing clear local guardrails like a definition of done. This core mindset is the ultimate key to understanding how agile ways of working actually succeed when tackling real world uncertainty or yucca environment. When a project starts veering off track, whether due to unexpected technical ripple effects or changing customer demands or team alignment, our default human instinct is often to search for standard levers of stability. In traditional frameworks, stability is pursued by tightening control, adding approval layers, demanding comprehensive documentation, or scheduling mandatory oversight meetings. However, in an agile environment, these approaches are fundamental anti-agile patterns. When dealing with a complex adaptive system, adding rigid control mechanism is like trying to manage a tropical rainforest by paving over it with concrete. It doesn't fix the underlying ecosystem. It suffocates it. Agile principles explicitly warns against falling back on administrative control when things get messy. Because you cannot force a complex system to be predictable, an agile project manager's job is to optimize the system's ability to self-correct. True agile responses focus on empirical processes over administrative processes, leveraging the opportunities as explained earlier. By favoring adaptive guardrails over prescriptive rules, you honor the core values of the Agile Manifesto, allowing a self-organizing team to dynamically absorb disruption and strive in volatile markets.